tarjeteo, molineo, molineo, molineo. Dale teteo, 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 teteo. Dale teteo, 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 dale teteo.
Okay, so we have all the parts in the box except the fucking clutch. This is how she looks now. We're gonna start putting out the headlight assembly. So what I basically did here is grab the Halloween mask. It had some pretty cool lighting strips. I don't know what the fuck you call these, like neon strips. So I thought it would be a pretty good starting point. What I did here is that I added a bolt in there. As you guys can see, the little house in there, I built it with some silicone and a piece of this Street Fighter mask. As you can see, it's cut off right there. I cut it off with a Diablo saw, and I shaped it with sandpaper into my own liking, so that way the bulb gets sealed in there and the rain doesn't affect it. The electrical connections, I also waterproofed them with silicone, as you guys can see. Put a switch right here, and it's pretty fucking cool, I gotta say. Look at this. I only got one hand. Oh fuck, the controller. Oh, and the little pebbles thingies, whatever the fuck you call this shit, I found it in the crafting section in Walmart. Forgive me for that. Some crazy glue, and it did the trick. So I have a little switch right here. If I press it, the neon shit lights up, as you can see. That's fucking dope, ain't it? That's fucking dope. Oh yeah.
So this is close up to being finished. It's got wire and shit.
So this is how the headlight looks on. I have it permanently on because I still have to take this off to put stickers and shit. Still haven't connected the connections, but this is how it looks, so you can have an idea. So this is my light system, or however you want to call it. A whole bunch of ghetto wiring. This is my battery charger connection. I'm gonna leave it hanging out to the side so I can just put it right next to the window and plug the battery in. I already tried the battery with these two lights. It lasts like 5 to 6 hours with them on, so I should be good for riding long distances or for a long time. If you don't have bikes, then use a bucket. It works. So now we have the new front sprocket, new rear sprocket, and the new chain on. Already adjusted to how it's supposed to be, 3 fingers. Already got the oil drain, oil filter replaced. Now that we're tying those, now we're gonna add our oil. This is what she takes. Break up. And we're getting ready to change the spark plug. I'm curious to see how this one looks. It's kind of bad, but it's not that bad. It's alright. The chain adjuster, which is right here. This I still have no idea what it is, but I'll find out soon. We already took the reservoir cap off. Be careful, don't strip the screws. Mine were pretty corroded, as you can see, so it was a bitch to take off. So I had to use braking. I don't know how you call this? I guess a freeing, screw freeing or breaking tool, whatever. You hit it with a hammer and it gets loose. Use one of those. If it's too hard, don't heat it up because it has a rubber grommet on the bottom, the gasket. You don't want to melt that, so don't heat the screws up. Yeah, I was tempted to do it too. We're getting ready to put these on now. Pretty dope. Okay, so now we're getting ready to install the tail light. It's not gonna be a brake light because I don't have a toggle switch because dirt bikes do not come with lights, as I've been saying. So we're just gonna drill some holes on the tail right there, attach it right there. We have some wires here that we're gonna plug into the battery. And I put a switch back here so you guys can see they get a wire, so I can turn it on and off whenever I want. So now I'm gonna just drill some holes into the tail and I'm gonna secure it with some bolts and nuts.